Kinahi ka school ad hoc hapo kalama jang ka fastom maka apply trek nailur arajar arbusan. Klase megarai ban betengi kejing ki ban syong bet Hamadan Malki bat kene karai kawan hadian bakim shimlahun ya kejing kendo bat menteri ketenat pulih putih ke Sarkar Jela. La ban kero hang ni bekino ka school ad hoc ak arpu artrek nailur kelas sedang ya kejing ki daga be syong Hamadan Malki bat hatura. Ban pensno ya kejing dawa jengki hakabede bekejing ketiu kerdan ya kino ka ad hoc syaka kerdan defisit. Hagani kasi nakaliang menteri ketenat pulih putih ubak lakman remboi. Ulakot igina ngalam ka fastom makinuan menekren halur kini kejing jongki. Habai keren baru vice president ke fastom ubak Sanbon Jungai ulietu bahagji kendo banu menteri ketenat pulih putih. Ula ai kublai syuan engkong ya baru gina high school ad hoc kebal ai kejing syakri ya kejela. Bat keberap ban kentiu ke pulih putih. Ndai ka baydai bagajing dawa ban kentiu kerdan ya kina high ad hoc Menteri Uluong bakatenat kanang bishar benia aswai kene kejing dawa nama ke sarkar ketemu ban penduna kejing pun kerdan ki skul ha kejela. Ndru Menteri Uluong ba on amla ban kerenti kena halor kejing kentiu kerdan kene ke skul ad hoc syaka deficit system. Kumtan nak liang kene ke hi de besur kila sheme karai bandang beteng ya kejing ki jongki.
Te ngila wan nakaliang ke federation. Te anda ngila yarung yasyong di kabalingkong nakaliang di department menta kong ba ni ai kublai ningkong nakaliang ki wat nakaliang ka sarkar ki ong ya ka contribution ba ki ad hoc teachers kila ai ha state damdai tanyangi le si borok rupi kino hikai ki bulan ha state namar ba kani ka contribution ka menta ngilap ka Meghalaya kalalong kedang ka pasan ha kata kali tersiri to Te hadin bang yakran pat ya kawakikam kabedai pat kajingkentiu kertan ini. Te nakaliang education minister di iong ba nadu bakila penmi ya katu ka Meghalaya education kan. Di kiseng baper nangta nakaliang ka management ki priusimet kila ai ya kita ki suggestion jengki ki views ki jengki te nakaliang education minister uang ba hadin jaga puja kamut yin saya syong nakaliang department bangin ya perkat kai kalenti kasenjam ke ba ke department kan simnang ni ringkat ba sarkar ha ka bayadai ba kini ki school ki bokon kategori kamut kathong ka jongki kalong menta wan penduna ya kita ki jingbon jongki kategori de kamut ha ka bakut hi ka jinya kren kalong ba education minister Ciong bangan nemla hiya mentah bangan ayah ka assurance ban kentiu kerdan ya kino hikai ad hoc. Nah, syaka deficit system lani syaka deficit pattern. Di kamutkan sasyong karai hadin ba kilaya pelong kini kijingalang bat kibabun kiseng bat kibabun kini ki management bat ki priusimet dan bat ki political party. Di kamut haka bakut ni sutu ba nilai keren rupa education minister bato ka ai ka ba pila pentip syani di kamut ba ni yamanta ngi nemla ban rai tang kinom yalam ki ba khamat kamut ba ka ai ka bang ya keren bat ingin ra ya kan ka kubor syakino hikai jengi ki badan Hamadan Malki bat ki badan syapot tura di karai ka bakaddo kadai be ka jongu Hendrai ni yang sekarang kanong rim ba ni kwa ba ya kan ni kajing kajongi kamut ba dai ka government ka dai ban pendap no di ilai keran pun sepang ki Hendrai ha ka bakut kamut ba ni snow ba ya menta 4 don kanu ka assurance kamut nakaliang ka department ban le kamut ki ong bangin dang study di nyemtip hadu kandu kan simpor kata kajing study nomor wangi tip di kam kijam ma di simpor kam ha department kam ding ban petang benta ki we ki atau di kam ki bonjai ti kamut ha ka bakut hi te kamut ba minum lah ban batai menta ngindang continue ngin sange kamut kan sasyong be ha rai cukup babo at present he told us that he cannot give any assurance. The department, they will study, they will review the suggestion, the views given by the different association and the stakeholders in related to the MEG until and unless they study and reviews those suggestions. He said, at present, I cannot give you any assurance what shall we do with the demand of the Federation. So here we stand as the frontline leaders to put it in you, the teachers, the decision. What shall we do? Whether we will continue with the agitation or we will stop our agitation. You want to continue? Let us raise our hands. So, okay then, we will stick to the decision taken by the majority. We had told the Education Concern Minister that we are just the frontline leaders. We have got many leaders who are in Malki Playground and even in Tura who will take the final decision. So your decision is that we will continue, so we will go ahead with our agitation program. Okay, thank you.
Because it is not very easy for the government or for the department to do anything, but we are here to serve the people. We try to serve to the best of our ability. We'll try to see the interest of everybody to be taken care of. But having said that, we will call the commissioner secretary has already met all the organization, and the government itself, they will do their best to see what it is to be done. But as of now, I cannot say anything. I have to see because government, whether I'm today or yesterday, is a continuous process. But we have to see the best, what we can do the best for the people, for all stakeholders.
Sa ka jeng kuat jeng ki ka dei ba ki kuat ban ra ya ka ad hoc sa ka deficit. Ti hatu ka la ban long kan sa.
See, this is not a very new issue. This is the issue which is long pending. But having said that, it is not very easy for the government to do it because it involves a huge financial implication. And if you remember in 2021-22, we from the government have enhanced the salary of the teachers. I don't remember exactly the exact amount, but we will study and see if the financial portion of the government is there. We will see in the future what we can do.